Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. Today's video focuses on the Cloud Service Request screen. Before I begin, hit the subscribe button to receive notifications when new content is uploaded. Now, the Cloud Service Request screen is available for Hexagon Cloud customers from the Administration menu under Setup. Depending on your user group, the screen may need to be added to your menu. This self-service screen allows you to request and schedule maintenance activities to your EAM tenant. Options include refreshing from another tenant, applying mobile scripts, and uploading images. Let's walk through an example together. The request types are available from a dropdown. For non-production environments, you can request a database refresh from a source tenant. You can also request the latest mobile script, and in my example, I'm going to select an image upload. I want to display the Digital Thinker logo in the top left corner of the application. So I'm going to request an image upload and go ahead and enter a description of the request. If I was submitting this for another user, I could also update the requested by. Since I'm requesting an image upload, I'll need to scroll down to the image details section and browse and select the image. Then save. For a database refresh or mobile script request, you will need to submit the request. But for image uploads, the image is available immediately. So now I can copy the image URL and update the app logo install parameter. I can also confirm the upload by viewing the image. The Cloud Service Request screen is a convenient way for system administrators to manage your hosted tenants. Please like this video if you found it useful, and check back soon for more Hexagon EAM tips and tricks. Thanks!